Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to a research, life is equal to 15% technical skill plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both the technical skills and human engineering, Irfan Institute offers a course. The title is Popular Softwares for Developing Presentations in Windows Operating System. It is lecture number 5, Install Microsoft PowerPoint 365 in Windows. And here I am your instructor, Nazia Jahan. Now, let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will discuss the steps to install Microsoft PowerPoint 365 in Windows. Let's have a quick look on a quick recap of previous lecture. In previous lecture, I presented how to search and access the official website of Microsoft Office 365 using Google. Secondly, I presented how to download the latest version of Microsoft Office 365 setup file from its official website. And in the last, I presented how to verify that Microsoft Office 365 setup file was successfully downloaded. Inshallah, in the next slide, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint 365 in Windows operating system. The system and software specification to install latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint 365 in Windows operating system are as follows. The operating system that I am using is Windows 10. The software that I am going to install is Microsoft Office 365. Because there is an only way to download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 through the Microsoft 365 bundle. So when you download its setup file, you will also get the access to the entire collections of essential apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, etc. The installation date is 4 July 2022. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to install Microsoft PowerPoint 365 for Windows 10. The step number 1 is locate Microsoft Office 365 setup file on my computer. In previous lecture, that is lecture number 4, download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 for Windows. I downloaded and saved Microsoft Office 365 setup file in Downloads folder because there is an only way to download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 from the official website. So, I have downloaded Microsoft Office 365 setup file to get then access to the entire collection of essential apps include Words, PowerPoint, Excel, and etc. Therefore, to access the setup file, I will first go to the desktop screen by using Window plus D key. Now, I am on my desktop screen. On the left side of the screen, there is this PC icon. Double click on it and it will open a new window. The new window is opened now. On the left side of this window, there is a download folder. Double click on it to open the download folder. In the download folder, you can see there is the Microsoft Office 365 setup file present. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully completed our first step, that is, locate the Microsoft Office 365 setup file on my computer. Now, let's move to the second step. The second step is run the installation wizard. Inshallah, I will run the installation wizard to install Microsoft Office 365 in Windows operating system. Now, right-click on Office Setup file and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes button to give permission for installing Microsoft Office 365 in Windows. Here, we are on the first screen of installation wizard. Office apps will now be installed. It will take several minutes to complete their downloading process. Please wait. The installation process of Microsoft Office 365 apps is successfully completed. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully completed our second step, that is, run the installation wizard. Now, let's move to the third and final step. The third step is verify the installation of Microsoft Office 365 setup file. To complete the third step, I will move to my desktop screen by using Windows plus D key. Go to the search icon and type PowerPoint. Double-click on PowerPoint icon to open this app on the system. As you can see, Microsoft PowerPoint 365 has been opened successfully. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully completed our third step, that is, verify the installation of Microsoft Office 365 setup file. To summarize, I used three-step process to completely and correctly install Microsoft PowerPoint 365 in Windows 10. To do and your turn task. To do task is install Microsoft PowerPoint 365 on your computer with Windows operating system as shown in this lecture. Your turn task is install latest version of presentation development software you downloaded in your turn task of lecture 4. Download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 for Windows. Let's move to the lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, first I presented how to locate Microsoft Office 365 setup file on your computer. Secondly, I showed how to run the installation wizard to install Microsoft Office 365. And finally, I presented how to verify that Microsoft Office 365 was successfully installed. In next lecture. Inshallah, in next lecture, I will present how to develop your first presentation slide using Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Hazrat Allama Ibn Noman Nurullah Markada said, "There is a consensus among all religious scholars that reciting Darood Sharif on Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam is superior among all the good deeds. May Allah give us the strength to recite Darood Sharif abundantly. Ameen." We shall be very thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam, both in this world and hereafter. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.